Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to find and replace one document in a MongoDB collection using a Node.js application. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my application. First I am going to create a .env file where I am going to add my connection string. I am going to call the environment variable as MongoDB_URI. This is where I am going to add my connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. So we are going to connect from an application. So click drivers. So already Node.js is selected and already have installed the MongoDB driver. So copy the connection string. Now place the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. Now I am going to add my application code. First we need to require the MongoDB driver. Const then we are going to require the .env .config. Okay, now let's get the URI process.env dot, then we need to give the environment variable name. Okay, then let's get the client, new Mongo client. We need to pass the URI. Okay, and we are going to find and replace the document from a student's collection, which is part of the university database. So I'm going to give the database name as university. Then we need to provide the collection name, that is going to be students. Okay, students collection client.db. we need to give the db name. Okay, then we need to give the collection and then the collection name. Okay, so we are good. So now we are going to find and replace. So first let's give the doc to find. Okay, so I'm going to find the document with the student ID of 107. Okay, and then doc to replace, so I need to provide all the information because I'm just going to replace it. Okay, 07, then we need to give the name. Okay, I'm going to give the name as LL. Okay, then I need to give the age. So age I'm going to give it as 20. Okay, then I need to give the gender. I'm going to give it as female. Okay, then I need to give the grade. So grade I'm going to give it as B. Okay, then we need to give the marks. Okay, so marks is an array. First I'm going to give the English marks. Okay, so English marks I'm going to give it as 56, and then I need to give the language marks. Okay, so that I'm going to give it as 67. Okay, then I need to give the max marks, which I'm going to give it as 38. Okay, so the replacement doc is ready, all fine. Okay, so then now we are good. Now I'm going to add my main function, async function main. Okay, first I'm going to add the try block. First we need to establish the connection. So client dot connect. I'm going to print when the connection is successful. Okay, so I'm going to say successfully connected. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to first print the document which I'm going to replace. Okay, so I'm going to use dot find one. Okay, to give doc to find. Okay, so then I'm going to say this is the original document. Okay, original document. Okay, then I'm going to print the document itself, log result. good. So now we are going to do the find and replace dot find one and replace. So I'm going to give the doc to find as well as the doc to replace. So then I'm going to print the same thing. Okay, so this time I'm going to replace this with the replaced document. All good. I'm going to add a catch block. Okay, I'm going to do a console dot error, the error. Okay, then finally block. So where I'm going to do a client dot close. Okay, all good. Now I'm going to invoke the main function. So here again I'm going to add a catch. So where I'm going to say console dot error. Okay, and then we are going to add the finally. So where we are going to say client dot close. Okay, all good. I'm going to save the changes. To open a new terminal. Okay, I'm going to from the program.js. We could see the program got executed successfully. First we were able to successfully establish a connection to the MongoDB, and then it has printed the original document, and then it has replaced that original document with the new document, and it has printed the replaced document. In this demo we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas cluster from a Node.js application and then find and replace one document in a collection. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.